Sun City, Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine a light, show your mind. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
Where do you go to so early these days? And who are you calling this early morning?
Darling, is everything all right?
What do you mean?
You seem preoccupied. These past few days, you've always seemed on edge.
That's your imagination. Hello? Yes.
Who was that?
No one.
Don't insult my intelligence. How can no one call you?
Please, Emifa, don't start.
Don't start what?
Mom, Dad, please excuse me.
Hey, who was that?
A girl has got to have her secret sometimes, you know. You don't always have to tell it all.
Come on now. You know, between you and I, there are no secrets. So tell me what's going on. You leave the room at odd hours. You make phone calls and speak in codes. In fact, if I didn't know you, I'd have thought you were having an illicit affair.
Okay, so what if I was?
Are you saying you are?
Hello?
I am Mrs. Emefa Agri. You just called my husband.
Yes?
Is that all you have to say? I said, who are you and what do you want from my husband?
I beg your pardon?
Hello? Hello? Damn her. She hung up on me. Who is the silly girl, Sylvester?
You just called her yourself. I'm sure you got your answers now.
The foolish girl hung up on me.
Too bad.
This is not the end of the matter. I want to know who has been calling you or there will be fireworks. I won't let you make a fool out of me.
Since when did I ever take your phone, retrieve the number, and call the other person on the other line?
Because I have always told you who is on the other end of my line. Since when have we started keeping things from each other?
Well, we just started.
What? Did you hear me? This is not the end of the matter. You're going to tell me who has been calling you or you don't return to this house.
Yes, you need to take me to that shop.
The shopping mall?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I need to get some stuff from there. And also I have to get home. My mom said she's done.
Hey, that's Dr. Agri. Let's go and say hello to him.
Hey! Hey, wait.
What?
Seems he's waiting for somebody. See the way he's looking around.
But who could he be waiting for? That's Chuchu.
Hey!
Did you see that? Oh my God.
What am I seeing? Hey!
It's not happening. No. How about this?
What?
What is it?
Did you see what?
What is it? Have you seen a ghost?
Hey!
This is not happening. Jacqueline, tell me it's not happening, no. But Dr. Agri is too smart for this.
So all the time she's been doing her dadaba stuff. This is really what she does. Feeding off men.
Hello. This is Mrs. Agri. Fine, thank you. I'd like to speak with my husband, please. Oh, I see. I beg your pardon? At the bank? Thank you.
Chocho is wrecking somebody's marriage.
You don't know that for sure. Huh? We saw her with a married lecturer, so what?
Are you blind or deaf? Eh? Didn't you observe her body language? Didn't you notice how furtively Dr. Agri was? Eh? Look. As for me, if it looks like a rat, moves like a rat, and acts like a rat, to me it's a rat. Simple and scientific. Okay?
I still say you're being presumptuous.
Am I? Then tell me what it means when a married man takes a girl to the bank, withdraws money for her, takes her shopping, and acts furtively whilst at it. I have added my 1 and 2. And the answer is no doubt to me.
Just make sure your so-called answer does not get you into trouble.
Hey, Jackie. After that.
Oh, yeah.
Now, sir. You look distressed. What's up?
My car. I parked it here and it's gone.
Oh my God. So, what? You think it's stolen, eh?
Now, what is funny?
See, please, your car has not been stolen. I saw Emefa driving it 30 minutes ago.
Emefa came for my car?
Yeah.
How does she know I parked it here?
She's been all over campus looking for you. She called me twice on this. I mean, and each of your colleagues have had about 2 calls each. She's coming.
She hungry?
It's not looking too good.
Okay.
It's not looking good.
I'm hungry.
It's not looking good. It's not looking good.
Where have you been? I have been waiting for you for lunch. I called the department and they said you left in the morning. I went to the bank. I saw your car parked there. And you were nowhere to be seen. Agri, where were you? Were you with that silly girl or woman or whoever it is? You are not coming into the house, so you answer all my questions.
All right, calm down, you two. I'm sure you can solve this problem in the comfort and privacy of your own home. Oja! Masa!
Don't you have eyes? Don't you? Wake up, girl. This is proper ayefe noche.
Okay. What if there's a logical explanation?
Like what? Let me tell you something. All men are the same. They are all cheats. He is doing ayefe noche on his beautiful wife and we shouldn't do anything about it? Ha!
Should we confront Chucho with what we know?
Why should we?
She's our friend. And if your friend is playing with fire, you just have to do something to help her. Jackie, what are you up to? I hope you are not going to broadcast this. What are you doing? Who are you calling?
Mrs. Agri. And she must know about this. Hello? Is this Mrs. Agri, please?
Yes? Who is this?
A friend who wants to save your marriage.
Say again? You want to save my marriage?
Good evening, Mom. Good evening.
Yes?
I don't like cheating, Mom. I don't. I believe your husband is cheating on you. Oh, God. I used to admire Dr. Agri so much. But...
Will you get to the point, young woman?
Yes. The girl's name is Chocho.
Chocho, I.
Yes. Chocho. My friend and I couldn't believe our eyes when we saw Dr. Agri park his car at the bank and jumped into Chocho's car. Especially when they kissed.
Oh, okay. Right. Let me call you later.
Come in. Come in.
Hi.
What do you want? What do you want?
Excuse me? Are you the only one in this room? Are you?
Jacqueline, how may I help you?
Oh, my dear. I didn't see you come back yesterday. Some long nights, yeah?
Is that any of your business? Don't you have anything to do?
Jacqueline, Nkechi, please allow.
This girl is dangerous. If she didn't have anything up her sleeve, she would not have been here.
Jacqueline, what do you have on your mind?
Wow. She looks so good in your dress. Are you going somewhere? Probably on a date, yeah?
Is that any of your business? Don't you have anything to do?
Jacqueline, Nkechi's right. What can I do for you short of my sharing my personal affairs with you?
Oh, just trying to touch on base. Someone said he saw you at the shopping mall yesterday. Huh? I can swear.
And what is your problem with that? Has she been banned from shopping?
Anyway, the person said he saw you with a man. Huh?
Now I think you're way out of line. If you have nothing of consequence to say, I advise you leave.
Better.
Hey, no, you wait. Are you asking me to leave your room?
Hello?
Are you?
Hello? Oh, hi! Is the gown ready? Yeah, the day is tomorrow. It's strictly by invitation. We wanted it to be a very simple but private ceremony. Yeah. No, she doesn't know. His wife doesn't know. She'll know when it's all over. So please keep your lips sealed. Thanks for the call, though. Bye.
What ceremony starts? I'd really love to be part of it, Am I invited?
Do you want me to push you out of this room?
Hello? Is this a travel agency? Yeah, I'm calling to confirm the booking. For 2, yes, to Switzerland. Okay, I'll pick the tickets up tomorrow. Thank you. Bye. Let me call this.
join me to celebrate the most wonderful wife in the whole wild world. And let me introduce to you your so-called rival who organized all this.